Guys, I got her all tore down, got the heads off, there they sit, cams out, headers are off. I did notice with the headers, all this research in Big Dog's porting and whatnot, talked about porting the headers, and I was like, why would you port the headers? I don't know if you can see that, but there is a weld going right there, all around, that is obstructing the flow significantly. So I don't see any reason why I can't just take that down, smooth that out. And all these ports on this welds. There you can see it. It just really protrudes into the port there. So I pulled the headers off, I'm gonna do that. Alright guys, hopefully you can see what I'm seeing here, but do you see this weld bead? Goes all the way around here. It's very obstructive, and I can get my finger all the way up under it, and it sticks out 1/8 of an inch in places. And this one I've gone ahead and ground it all out, and I did not compromise the weld in any way. It's still all sealed completely. Shoot, I can't see any reason why that would be worse. Bigger hole flows more air, right? I'm going to port the rest of them like this, and then it won't be in this video, but another video I'll show you the finished product, you can see what they look like. All right, continuing with the Mustang project. Be sure to like and subscribe. Keep up with what we're doing here. I hope it's interesting to you. If you got any comments or suggestions about how we could do it better, please let me know. If I can get a better view. The light coming through there. Not really. We got the AFR-205 heads on order. I got the XFI comp cams camshaft on order. The intake is sent off to Big Dog's porting. It arrived today, which is Saturday, the 18th December 2021. So hopefully he'll get on that as quick as he can and get them back to me. The AFR heads were on back order. So they won't ship, I think, till the 28th of December. So that's where we are, guys. Just wanted to give you a little update, show you my mess. Got car parts laying everywhere. And the bad news is I've got to get my car down and push it out of the shop so that I can change the oil in my truck. I'll bring you back when I got new parts to show you, and we'll start putting this thing back together. And hopefully we'll be pushing the 400 rear wheel horsepower mark. That's